Nirvana Villas is rising fast, bringing modern lifestyle living to those that envision a life of space and serenity. Each structure is carefully designed to blend nature, architecture, and innovation into one seamless living lifestyle. Welcome to our first construction update for 2025. My name is Juliet Badivida Remoa. Come with me as we go into the details of construction thus far. Engineer Ahmed, it's really nice to see you again this 2025.
Hello Juliet, you are welcome. The first update of the year.
Thank you. So the last 6 months of 2024, we experienced an amazing speed here on site. The standard is very high for 2025. So tell me, what do you have for us? What has happened over the last month?
Actually, we have a lot of teams here. We are trying to be always with the schedule. Okay. We are having a lot of progress at concrete work, at block works, and MEB works, and waterproofing. Also, we started preparing for the plastering work, and also we started the swimming pool.
Yes, I did see that. I'm excited.
Yeah, we started the swimming pool, and also we started the fence wall.
I'm happy about the progress over the month. It's very clear to see. In the next month, what should we expect to see?
Actually, we are planning to make more progress at concrete work. Some villas will finish next month.
Oh, great.
More progress at block work, at plastering work, and also fence wall and swimming pools.
I'm sure the clients are very happy to hear this.
I also.
Thank you so much for having us.
Okay, thank you.
Every corner is coming to life, and soon this will not just be a project but home to many. Thank you for staying with us on this update. To stay informed, stay connected, follow us on all our social media platforms.